bright out, but I'm outside for a reason. Girlactik had posted these beautiful powders on their Instagram the other day, and they said, which color is yours? And their fair shade looked way too dark for me, and their dark shade looked way too light for my dad. So this is a test. I don't have anything on my hand. I'm gonna be trying to hold this with my chin to do a swatch. Yeah, screw it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let me figure this out. Okay, hopefully it's recording. So this is their fair shade. There it is on my finger. And I'm dropping everything. Let me see if I can get this going. It's way dark on my hand. You can, I mean, it's a beautiful sheen, but it's definitely dark. Let me try and put this on my face. Okay, so this is supposed to be a setting powder. I'm trying to keep it from falling off my knees. I picked some up on my finger. So there it is on my finger. And it's supposed to go on the skin over like moisturizer or foundation or primer. I picked up a little bit more. And because this part of my face is pink and this part of my face is more green, that's why I'm kind of like putting it right there. You can see like the finger mark on my face where I just put it. Do a stripe down my forehead. I was kind of they were saying that it wouldn't be so dark, and I've got a mosquito trying to eat me. Go away, bud. Just killed your sister on my ankle. Okay, so you can definitely see where I've like swatched it. And then, I mean, you can see where I put it on my forehead. Let me do like a stripe here. And then I'll blend it out. This one here doesn't want to blend very well. Trying to look in the mirror at the same time. Yeah, it leaves like a beigey bronze kind of cast on my skin. I think if I have a foundation on that might be a little too light, this will be nice to like warm it up some, but it's still way too dark for my skin. And just to show you, my face is just about the same color. Well, actually my face is a little darker than the rest of me. Here's my leg. See how dark that is on my skin? Let me put that down. See it? There's that mosquito back again. Trying to bite me. You can definitely see the beige stripe on my skin. Right there. So yeah, they're like, no, it'll be perfect for you. Try it out. We'll send it to you. They did send it to me. And it's beautiful. It really is beautiful, but I am just too, that's why I'm doing this outside in natural lighting. See, sun. Because sometimes I take pictures inside in the LED lighting in my bathroom, and they're like, now it almost looks like I got a bruise on my leg. But it's like, they're like, no, this'll be perfect for you. This'll like match your face, and it has a beautiful sheen to it, but it's like really dark for my it's too dark for my skin. And they were saying that it doesn't work like other powders, and it feels like satin. It is very soft, and I will have to try this over foundation. I do have one that is too light for me, because I was using that Mario Badescu cleanser, the glycolic foaming cleanser, which doesn't really foam. And if you look, my neck and my chest is lighter than my face, because the glycolic cleanser, and I didn't realize this because the directions say one thing, and then if you go down like on Ulta and you read like the about stuff, it says, if you go down into the questions, it says that you're only supposed to use the cleanser maximum 3 times a week. And I was using it every day, at least once a day. And I used it for like 2 solid months every day, and my face got so dark from the cleanser. I was like, holy crap, I've never had a cleanser like cause my face to change color. So that wasn't good. And then come to find out there's formaldehyde in the formula, so that's a big nope for me. So anyways, this was the test of the Girlactik. This is their Luminous face powder in Fair. I'm trying to get the fingerprint off the front of it. And this is beautiful. The packaging is like this like pinky rose gold hue. It is very pretty, and this is in the shade Fair, which is too dark for me. And I kind of wish it would have like worked out better, but it didn't. But I'll try it over some like lighter foundations and see if that helps bring up some warmth in the color of the foundation, because I do have the Wet n Wild foundation. It's like a little too pink on my skin, and it's like it matches my neck, but it doesn't match my face. So I will have to try it over that and see how it works. So hopefully you enjoy this little like miniature review.